Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you guys how to monetize your Instagram account easily. So this journey you want to embark on is not going to be like quick and instant result. So you have to be consistent on it, and you have to keep posting on your Instagram account. So the first thing I have to say now is, what is monetization? Monetization is the process of making money from something. For example, there are so many social media accounts that you can monetize on. You can get monetized on Instagram, you can get monetized on YouTube, you can get monetized on Facebook, and lots more. So before I get started, I need your favor on something, guys. It cost you just 5 seconds. Kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and comment below. Thank you. So this is my Instagram profile. Right now I'll click on my these 3 dots. I'll click on it now. What I want to do is I want to switch my Instagram account from normal personal profile to professional profile. So I'll click on settings. So after clicking on settings, do you see this option, guys? Switch to professional account. I'll click on switch to professional account immediately. So you will see these 2 options here, guys. Creator, best for public features, content producer, actress, and influencer. Those are the people that need to use creator. But as a business, I want to build a brand. So best for retailers, local business, brands, organization, and service provider. This is where my category belongs to. So I'm going to click on business, then I'll click on next. After clicking on, as you can see, business, gain more reach, and I'll be able to run ads. I'll be able to send more messages and other things. I'll be able to view the insights of my post and lots more. So I'll click on next. So as you start is category. So internet marketing service. Then I'll click on next. Hold on, guys, it's still loading. Okay, so now you just preview. Don't use my comfortable. Okay, just save. Okay, now I'll click on done. The Instagram business account is ready. So automatically right now I have successfully switched my Instagram account to personal profile, professional profile. As you can see, it's bringing the option to switch to personal account now. So which means automatically I've successfully switched my Instagram account to a professional dashboard. So I'm clicking, as you can see, this is my professional dashboard here. Let me reload this page, please. Okay, this is my professional dashboard here. So I want to click on this post. I want to click on view insight. So this is the help of the professional dashboard I just activated just now. So apart from that, I have to stay consistent, like keep posting every time on this account to get it monetized. So now I will click on these 3 dots again. I'll click on settings. So immediately I click on settings now, I'll click on, okay, 1 minute, guys, I'm looking for the button here, which is business. So guys, after you successfully switch your profile to a professional account, you click on these 3 dots, then you click on settings. Okay, sorry, I want to switch the appearance right now to like dark mode. Okay, good. So now you click on these 3 bars, click on settings. After clicking on settings, on the page right now. Sorry. So in this page here, once you log in this account on your mobile, above this privacy here, you'll be seeing the button business. So when you click on business, you will see, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 options there. It's not showing here right now on the system because Instagram show more of the details better on mobile. So the first thing you're going to see on your mobile when you click on business, on your profile settings, is add payment, branded content ads, response rejection, saved reply, frequent ask question, welcome message, and minimize age. So this minimize age button, I use it because not on this account actually. I use it because of why? To minimize the amount of people that can view my Instagram profile. For example, I minimize it to 25-year-old and above. So it's only 25-year-old and above that can view my profile. So immediately after you see the minimize age button, you will see the button called monetization status. So once you click on this monetization status, if you are eligible, you will automatically see the green mark showing it that you are eligible for monetization. I actually got my Instagram monetized after 9 months plus of posting and staying active and responding to buyers' messages on the Instagram account. It's currently on my phone right now, but this is a new account. I just use this to explain how you are going to switch your normal profile to business profile, and I'm explaining the rest from my phone. So please try this out, and once you want to check for the monetization status, check it on your phone. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate your time. Kindly stay tuned for my next video. Bye.